Good morning class. I am Lakshman Singh again with you with our new topic finding mode by using histogram. So let us see how we do this. We have one question here, question number 7, exercise 26C. For the following frequency distribution, draw a histogram. Hence, calculate the mode. So here we are given this table, marks 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 30, 25 to 30, 30 to 35 and 35 to 40. And the frequency is given 10, 14, 28, 42, 50, 30, 14 and 12. So first of all we see that if the table is given in exclusive form or not. So we can see that here upper limit of any class is equal to the lower limit of the next class. We can see that here 10 upper limit, here 10 lower limit. These are equal, it means this is in exclusive form. So we can draw histogram only for exclusive form. So let us see how we draw histogram. To draw the histogram, first of all we draw x-axis and y-axis. In this way we have to cover maximum of the graph paper in exam also. Now you see here given 0 to 5, 5 to 10, it means we can see maximum is up to 40. So we divide the x-axis in such a way that can be adjusted in this much. So we have taken 0 to 5 here till here, means we can take the scale on x-axis 2 centimeter equal to 5 marks. Here this distance to this distance. Here it is 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter equal to 5 marks. And here on this y-axis we have taken 2 centimeter equal to 10 students. You can see 0 to 10 here. This is 10 students. It is 2 centimeter. Then now we have, this is starting from 0 only. We can see this here 0 to 5. So first histogram, that is rectangle, we have to make rectangles. We can see 0 to 5 till here. We make a rectangle whose height is equal to the given frequency 10. So here we have the frequency 10. So till here we make this rectangle. Similarly 5 to 10 we can see it is 14. So we here 5 to 10 we make a column up to mark 14. We can see 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This one mark. So we make it up to 14. Similarly we draw all these rectangles as given according to the table. Then we can see we have completed this graph. In this we can see 20 to 25 one is the highest one. In this highest one we take both the top corners. This left side corner will be joined to the left corner of next rectangle, and this right top corner will be joined to the right top corner of previous rectangle. We see that they intersect at this place. From here, this intersecting point, we drop the perpendicular to the x-axis. Here we have dropped. Now we have to take this reading. We can see here two small ones is 2 mm. This is 2 mm and 2 mm, 4 mm. So this becomes 1. Till here we can see 2 mm, that is 1. That is till here it will be see, we can see it is between the third one. The intersection part is between the third line, first, second and third. So this much is 21, and in the middle it is, we can say 21.5 also. So the mode will be 21.5. It may vary 20.5 to 22.5. This will be given, the variation will be considered by the teacher or examiner in the exams. It may be up to 0.5 plus minus also. For small values it may be 0.5, and for bigger values it may be plus minus 1 also. So that is up to the exam and council. So you have to take your value, what you get, that is correct value. You can see another table. Question number 10. For the following distribution, draw a histogram, hence estimate mode. Here given weight in kilogram, that is 44 to 47, 48 to 51, 52 to 55, 56 to 59, 60 to 63 and 64 to 67. And frequency given 23, 25, 37, 18, 7 and 2. This part is not given in the question. Now we can see that this 44 to 47 and next starting with 48. Here upper limit is not equal to the lower limit of next class. It means this is inclusive form of the distribution. So first of all we have to change it in exclusive form. How we change in exclusive form? This is taught in class 9th. First of all we find adjustment factor. So let us see, adjustment factor equal to lower limit of any class minus upper limit of previous class upon 2. So we can take any one. Suppose we have taken here second one. Lower limit of second class is 48. Upper limit of previous class is 47 upon 2. So we get 1 upon 2, that is 0.5. This is our adjustment factor. Now we will use this adjustment factor to change this inclusive form in exclusive. So what we do, adjustment factor will be subtracted from lower limit and added to the upper limit. So here we can see 44 minus 0.5, we get 43.5. Then it will, adjustment factor will be added to upper limit, 47 plus 0.5, so we get 47.5. Similarly we do in the next class also, 48 minus 0.5, so we get 47.5. 51 plus 0.5, so we get 51.5. Similarly we do this in all the class intervals, so we get this form changed into exclusive. We can see that now every upper limit is equal to the lower limit of next class. We can see that here 47.5, here again 47.5, here we are getting 51.5, here also 51.5. Similarly you can see in all. Now let us draw histogram. So again we have drawn the axis. This is our x-axis, this one is y-axis as we know. Then here we can see our class intervals starting from 43.5 and next is this 47.5, a very less difference, that is 4 only. If we take 4 like this, then it will go out of the page. So we have to adjust this. For this thing what we do, we take here as 0, but before writing the first one we make a kink. You can see this zigzag line drawn, this is called kink. This means remaining other things are adjusted in this area. Then we can directly start from our required number. So here we can see here differences of 4. So we have taken scale 2 centimeter equal to 4 units on x-axis. And here we have 23, 25, 37. It is maximum 37. So we have taken here on y-axis 2 centimeter equal to 10 units. Then here we will write 43.5. Next will be 47.5. The difference of 4 we will write. Then for next 51.5. Next will be 55.5. 59.5, then 63.5, and the last is 67.5. Now, height of the first column, that is 43.5 to 47.5, that means 23, frequency is 23. So we take this 20, 21, 22 and 23 till here. So this column is of frequency. We can see that, and this is our weight. So here we can see till 23 we have drawn this rectangle till 23 height. Then next one is we can see 25. So we draw the next column of height 25. So 25, second column we have till 25. We can see here this is up to 25. Then third column is 37. We can see till here 30, 35, 36 and 37. So this height of this column is 37 units. Next column is 18. So we have 10 and 5 15 and 3 18. So this is up to 18. Similarly, we draw for 7 and 2. Now we have got the highest column. So again, we have to take the right and left corners. Top left of the highest one will be connected to the top left of the next one. We can see that we have drawn this line. Top right of highest one will be connected to the top right of previous one. Here, then we can see this intersection part. From here we drop this perpendicular. Here this small parts, that is 10 parts means 2 centimeter are equal to 4 units. It means 2.5 parts will be equal to 1. So here we can see this point is 51.5. Till here we will reach 52.5. Then we are a little ahead than that. So we can consider it that 53. We have taken mode as 53. So it may vary up to 53 to 54. It can be 52, 52.5, 53, 53.5 or 54. All will be taken as correct answers.